A very good morning, my dear student, and today in this video I have started your second chapter, that is your determiners, from your unit 3, that is your grammar application. Okay, so after completion of this video you will able to know what is determiners, what are the kinds of determiners, and rules which you will keep in mind while you are applying determiners. Okay, so now first is, what is the meaning of determiner? Determiner is a word which limit or fixes the meaning of a noun. So here what does it mean? Determiner is nothing but a word, okay, which fixes or which limits, okay, which give limits or fixes the meaning of a noun. Example, I have a pen. Here student, pen is a noun. A is your article. Now here the I have a pen reflect that I have one number of pen. Okay, a reflect that I have one number of pen. So here your A is fixing or it is giving limit about the noun, that how much pen you are having. You are having a pen, means you are having one single pen. Understood? Next is your I have, you can say I have 10 chocolates. So here again 10 is your determiners. Now 10 is a limit. Okay, how many chocolates you are having? You are having 10 number of chocolates. So your determiner is a word which give limits or fixes the meaning of a noun. Okay, it describe about the noun. How much pen? One number of pen. A pen. How many chocolates? I have 10 chocolates. So a words which describes or gives limits or fixes the meaning of a noun is your determiners. Now let us see what are the various kinds of determiner. Now student, there are number 1. So there are 5 determiner. First one is your article, next is your possessive, third is your numeral, fourth is your quantitative, and the fifth one is your demonstrative. So there are total 5 number of determiners. So the first kind, now let us go towards the first kind of determiner, that is your articles. Your articles A and the are your first kind of determiner. In short, you can say A and the are articles, and we have already discussed in your previous video about articles, where and when you will be using A and the. Okay, so we will not discuss about article much. So now moving towards the second category of determiners is your possessive. Now possessive referring to a noun that belong to someone or something. So now possessive reflect, what does it reflect? It reflects that a thing or a noun that belongs to someone. Example, this is my house. Okay, this is your pen. So this my, your, this all belong to someone. So when you are describing words which reflects that it belongs to someone, then it is a possessive kind of determiner. So here are some possessive like my, your, our, his, her, their. So these are the kinds of possessive. Now let us see, let us go through some example. I am her friend. Here again it is giving limit to the noun, that I am her friend. Have you seen my mother? Here again possessive. Okay, have you seen my mother? We are going their house for supper. So we are going to their, मतलब दूसरों का. Understood? My means mine. Your means it is reflecting to somebody else. His, her reflect to the male person or female person. Our reflect to everybody's. It represent to all. Okay. So these are the possessive. Now let us go towards the numerals. Now student, in numeral you will find that basically there are two kinds of numeral. Okay, one is your cardinal numeral, another is your ordinal numerals. Cardinal means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are your cardinals. Ordinal means first, second, third, fourth, first, last, fifth, 100. These are your ordinals. So every ordinals, jitna bhi number hai, these are again your determiners. Okay. Now let us move towards our fourth kind of your determiner, that is your quantitative. Now quantitative means quantity, how much, okay, how many. So now let us see some. Now these are some of the quantities which you use as determiner. Example: some, any, all, both, many, much, little, few. These are the quantitative numerals. Some means there is certain, मतलब कुछ चीज़ें हैं. I have some money, मतलब I have certain amount in my bag or with me. Okay, here I don't have any money. Any money means negative, नहीं के बराबर. Okay, some means positive, you have certain things. Any means negative, which is नहीं के बराबर. Okay, all means सबके लिए. Both means two. Okay, whenever your sentence is talking about many, it reflects number. Much means quantity. Little and few. In little you remember that little is used for quantity, few is used for number. Okay, so these are your quantitative determiners. Next kind and the last kind is your demonstrative. Now student, keep this thing in your mind that this, that, these, those are your demonstrative determiners. Okay, this, that, these, those are your demonstrative determiners. Now that and this is used for singular noun. Okay, these, those are used for plural noun. Okay, and this and these are used for things which are close to you. Remember this. First difference between this, that, these, those is this, that reflect singular noun. These, those is used for plural noun. पहला difference. Next difference, this and these means things which are closer to you. तुम लोग के सामने में है, closer to you. That, those means things which are further than you. दूर में है तुम लोग से. Okay. Now example, I want that horse. मतलब you are pointing. I want that horse means it is a singular noun and you are pointing means which is far than you, which is further than you. Okay, my sister wants this horse means which is very close and that is again a singular noun. Okay, now these, do you want to look at these horses means it is close to you and it is plural in number. No, I like those horses, मतलब you are pointing the horses which are far than you and again it is plural noun. So student, keep one thing in your mind, this, that is used for singular noun, but basic difference is this is used when you are reflecting the noun which is closer to you and that is used for the noun which is further than you, and these and those are used for plural noun, and these reflect the noun which is closer to you, and those reflect the noun which is further than you. Okay, so again I repeat your kinds of article. So first kind is your first kind of determiner is your article. Okay, next is your possessive, third is your numeral, fourth is your quantitative, and fifth one is your demonstrative. So this all was all about your chapter determiners. Thank you.